Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll guide you step by step through the process of obtaining non-freight invoices, such as local and detention invoices, using ODeX. Open your browser and navigate to online.odexglobal.com. Enter your login credentials and sign in. Click on the toggle navigation menu in the top left corner. From the options, select Invoice Dashboard. Locate and click the Get Invoice button. Take a moment to carefully read the important note displayed on the screen. Input the required BL bill of lading number to fetch associated non-freight invoices. Review the details, then click Get Invoice to save the invoices to your dashboard. After clicking Get Invoice, a confirmation notification will appear in the top right corner of your screen. Your invoices will now be available on the dashboard. On the dashboard, find the invoice you want. Click on the invoice number hyperlink to view or download it. If you encounter an error while accessing BL information, it might be due to missing delegation. Note: freight and credit note invoices also require a delegation to be visible. And that's it. You've now learned the end-to-end process for using the Get Invoice feature